Sorry, this hour, actor Kangana Ranaut standing tall yet again. This time she has slammed Saif Ali Khan and everyone else who's tried to justify the nepotism that exists in Bollywood. She has in fact now written an open letter. The Queen actress has given a hard-hitting reply to her colleague Saif Ali Khan's letter, who tried to camouflage nepotism by talking about genes. In fact, Kangana Ranaut puts up a strong argument and makes us all wonder what is wrong with the film fraternity.
In my biopic, if ever it's made, you'll play that stereotypical Bollywood biggie who is very snooty and completely intolerant to outsiders and, flag bearer of nepotism.
Let's go across to my colleague Ritangshu for more on that. Ritangshu, this nepotism debate was of course triggered for the first time when Kangana Ranaut appeared on Karan Johar's show. But of course the controversy refuses to die down. There was a lot of criticism against Karan Johar, Saif Ali Khan and Varun Dhawan for what happened recently at the IIFA Awards, where they took jibes at Kangana. And now it seems it's a war of open letters between Saif Ali Khan and Kangana.
Yes, indeed. It started from what many thought was an innocuous yet tasteless jab at an award ceremony to something which is becoming a far more engaging debate about nepotism and to the extent to which it actually affects the industry. Now, Saif Ali Khan came up with a number of points in which he said that you can't blame a filmmaker if he believes that the son or the daughter of a talented actor may inherit the genes of acting as well and then invest his money in producing a film which stars it. Kangana goes on to say that by that logic, if only then I should have inherited the genes of my father, who was essentially a farmer, and I should have stuck to farming as well. And there can't be any comparison between race horses being bred to produce a hybrid winner, as Saif Ali Khan pointed out, and Bollywood artists who are actually working really hard through dedication and hard work to come up and rise up in the industry. So it has become quite a heated argument between two important icons in the film industry, and that has split the industry down in the middle.
Right. Also, what's disturbing to many, Ritangshu, is the sheer denial that a lot of these star kids seem to be in, and also the display of arrogance that we have witnessed, whether it is those tasteless jokes that were made by Karan Johar. In fact, he's been accused of using every opportunity possible to run down Kangana Ranaut, something he's done quite publicly since her appearance on his show. And now, even if you go by the comments being made by the likes of Varun Dhawan and Saif Ali Khan, it would seem like even though this is, Bollywood's worst kept secret, nepotism, yet people seem to be completely blasé about it, and there seems to be complete denial and even a display of arrogance rather than facing up to the reality.
Neha, it's a lot more complicated than just that. Neither Saif nor Kangana or Karan Johar, for that matter, denying that nepotism exists in the industry. The point is, does nepotism necessarily guarantee success? Now, people like Saif Ali Khan can point out the fact that they might have owed the initial breaks to their famous actor mothers or fathers, but the fact still remains that Saif Ali Khan is also an accomplished actor, who's also an award-winning, national award-winning actor, just as Kangana is. So their logic is that you may get a head start over a newcomer if you have connections with the family, but it's only your talent and success which can take you forward. And the head start sometimes is based just because the producer decides to invest in your gene pool. Kangana Ranaut, on the other hand, has come out and said that it is impossible to, that essentially this ability or this bias towards star kids and at least giving them the first breaks ensures that a lot of talented youngsters, like what Kangana was, have to go through a period of struggle in the initial days, which a lot of actors don't have to go, a lot of star kids don't have to go through.
Right. Ritangshu, though I must say here that, one can rebut that argument made by Saif Ali Khan, or even the point that you were making about him being an award-winning actor, because let's not forget that there was a huge controversy even around his award or even the Padma Shri that he won, because many people linked it to the fact that his mother was the head of the censor board at the time, and she is known to have close links to the Congress which was in power. So those controversies have also happened over the years. And I think what's also distasteful really in all of this is how, especially given the controversy around the IIFA Awards, how three privileged men of Bollywood decided to gang up against this one woman who's outspoken and who everybody believes is self-made.
Absolutely. Now, that is the crux of the debate. A lot of people believe that the reason why Karan Johar and Saif Ali Khan felt the need to take potshots at Kangana is because Kangana had essentially touched a nerve amongst people in the industry and had spoken and what was said as an unspoken truth. Now, there is other people also believe essentially that nepotism exists in every in every industry, especially in politics, especially in film industries, even in journalism for that matter. Nepotism exists, and it's unfair to just highlight one industry because of that. So the debate continues here. But the key aspect at this point is, Neha, as to how much does nepotism overshadow talent in Bollywood here. A lot of people believe that had Bollywood truly been a fair, open playing field, then a lot of stars would have risen higher and much faster, and we would have seen a lot of talented artists, whether in direction, production, cinematography or acting, who probably could not do so because their spots were taken up by star kids. But then the argument is, isn't every field in life also riddled with nepotism?
Well, that is certainly a question that we can ask, but I think the question that's also now being asked is that is Bollywood making it increasingly difficult for so-called outsiders to gain a foothold? Because, yes, there are the Shah Rukh Khans and the Anushka Sharmas and the Kangana Ranawats, but perhaps just a handful of them, given that the industry is cramming with star kids, and as you mentioned, Ritangshu, that, perhaps many others with much more talent have been denied the opportunities that they deserve, probably because these star kids have occupied all the space that there is. And let's not forget that an Abhishek Bachchan continues to be around today, despite the fact that in the beginning of his career, he had 17 consecutive flops. No other actor would have had the privilege of getting film after film, even after so many flops, were it not for the fact that he happens to be the son of Amitabh Bachchan. And I think that is really a reality that Bollywood does need to wake up to, and this is a debate that we need to have. Ritangshu, thanks very much for joining us with all those details. Let's in fact now listen in to some reactions that we have been getting on this raging debate.
My biopic, if ever it's made, you'll play that stereotypical Bollywood biggie who is very snooty and completely intolerant to outsiders and, flag bearer of nepotism.
I'm not in denial of nepotism, it happens everywhere. For example, if tomorrow Lionel Messi's son is joining the Barcelona football team, I want to see how he's playing.
Absolutely.
Of course, there'll be a lot of criticism.
Same with Sachin Tendulkar's son.
Sachin Tendulkar's son. It happened to Sunil Gavaskar's son.
And some make it and some don't.
Absolutely. And it happens more so actually in business families.
I do think that, yes, maybe being from the inside, an insider, as you call it, or being from a film family can give you a platform. But that can only be the step. That can be the first rung of the ladder. The rest of the ladder has to be built by the audience acceptance, if the audience loves you and your talent.
हम दोनों, बल्कि हम तीनों यहाँ पर हैं, हम तीनों बाहर से हैं, तो अगर हमारे खिलाफ कोई भाई भतीजावाद या नेपोटिज्म हुआ होता तो फिर हम होते ही नहीं ना। मैं अपने बारे में ये बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस से कह सकता हूँ कि अगर मैं यहाँ पर हूँ तो it is only because of the love and affection of the existing film industry at that time. That they listen to me, it's perhaps the only place that I truly belong. So, I don't see it.
If we are here today, it's because, we are here today and we've reached where we are being within the same industry. I have personally, I would say, been launched by a banner like Yash Raj Films, who have always, and with me, with Ranveer Singh, they've always put talent before anything else. I don't even think this was something that I even thought of, quite honestly speaking, when I entered the industry. But at the same time, I think sabke experiences alag hote hain, and we all have to respect and value that.
In other news,